Hey friends, have you ever been to one of your local fast food restaurants or maybe even a higher end restaurant that has what's called Nugget Ice? It's that crunchy little balls of ice that just make your drink extra special. Well, guess what? You can actually have that at home now with this. This is the GE Opal 2.0 Nugget Ice Maker, and it's amazing. In today's video, we're gonna go over some of the key features that made us fall in love with this thing. Let's do it. Now, because this is made by GE, you can see the machine looks incredible. It also has a fairly thin profile to allow it to fit on most countertops. One of the other great features is that it doesn't need its own water supply. This has two separate reservoirs, one primary reservoir inside here underneath the ice, and then you have the option for the additional reservoir that sits either here or can be placed on the other side of the machine for convenience based off of your kitchen configuration. Now the machine is super simple to use. We have three main buttons here. One is obviously for cleaning, where you can hold for 3 seconds. Another one is for the light. You can see when I push this, we get a little light up here. There's actually 2 light modes. You can see this is the brighter version right here. Now running the ice maker is super simple. Basically, we can just take out the tray by pulling up. You can see the reservoir down here. This is where you can add water. You can see the max fill line goes all the way up to here, which allows for ice to continuously be made. Additionally, you have this reservoir that you can fill up with water, which will then replace what's in the bottom. Once water is available, we just put our main tray back into the machine, then come up here and push that power button. Now, after turning the power on, you'll see the making ice light will illuminate, and then you'll get some water that will stream down into the main ice bucket. This is normal and will change here in just a minute to begin dropping ice. At this point, we actually just set and forget it. The Opal is gonna start making about 1 pound of ice per hour. Okay, this is another super cool feature I have to show you. Basically, this is a smart device. Using the Smart HQ app on your smartphone, you can actually connect this thing to Wi-Fi, which means you can begin scheduling ice creation anywhere with your phone. So let's take a closer look at the ice that is created. Now, one of these little plastic scoops is included. We can use that to scoop out our ice. And as you can see, they're nice little crushed pieces pressed together. And this is again gonna give us that really incredible nugget ice experience in our drinks. One of my favorite midday treats now is to come and scoop out some of this ice and make a little slushy drink. Put some of our water flavoring inside of the glass. And when you fill it up with water, you get this incredible slushy type experience. Such a delicious midday treat. There you go, friends. That is the GE Opal 2.0 Nugget Ice Maker. Again, we absolutely love having this thing around. We'll put some links in the description box below if you'd like to pick it up for yourself on Amazon. And then stay tuned to the channel because we're actually making a bunch more tutorial videos, feature videos on how to use the ice maker. Those will be released really, really soon. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again on the next one.